2022 was another dangerously hot and dry year across the West, exacerbating a longer-term drought since 2000. An all too familiar scene, and number 4 on our list of the top 10 weather events of 2022. The sights are undeniable as the western United States drought continued in 2022. Many of the nation's largest reservoirs continued to be depleted.
I'm standing at what used to be the bottom of the lake, and many hazards have shown up since the water has receded, like this shipwreck behind me.
The nation's largest reservoir, Lake Mead, shrunk to its lowest level since it was filled in the 1930s. The U.S.'s second largest reservoir, Lake Powell, dropped to its lowest level since 1969.
As recently as year 2000, we actually had a lake that was nearly at bank full. But the past 2 decades now have had consistent drought and consistently low snowpack within the Colorado River Basin.
These low water levels affected agriculture, increasing feed costs for livestock. It was also costly for marinas to adapt.
We've moved the marina about 5 times this year. Each time is very expensive.
In September, the Great Salt Lake fell to its lowest level since 1847. Only making drought conditions worse, extreme heat. Salt Lake City hit 100 degrees or hotter 34 times, shattering the previous record of 21 times set just last year. Heat waves baked many communities across the West. More than 100 heat-related fatalities were focused across Arizona, California, Nevada, Texas, and Oregon in 2022. In July, Medford, Oregon hit 115 degrees, tying its record for warmest temperature in the last 111 years. Washington, Oregon, and Idaho felt their hottest August in 128 years. Even in October, it felt like a never-ending summer for some cities. Portland, Oregon hit 80 degrees 12 times in October, doubling the previous record. For the complete list of all the top 10 weather events of 2022, head on over to weathernationtv.com. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Steve Glazier.